Qingyuan Fortune Decoration Materials Company Limited is set up in 2016. The factory is with 20,000 square meters of production area. We are one of the leading suppliers of all kinds of PVC extrusion product like faux wood blinds, home decoration wall panel, molding, and our stabled formulation has confirmed and pleased our customers for many years. The factory with our extrusion line, lamination line, 3D printing line, and digital cutting for high requirement customers. There was 3 major sections in our company: blinds industry, faux wood blinds, vertical PVC blinds, PVC blinds included, and our major market is for US and Europe, and our turnover is over $10 million per year. Home decoration materials included the PVC wall panel, high-quality decoration molding, floor skirting, and other accessories, etc. PVC cabinet. After year developed that our cabinet is good-looking, high classical, and waterproof, fire-resistant, and insect-proof with good advantage. Our company always maintained the high quality, and the customer satisfy is the first goal in our company. We have also the professional team to handle our order on time and send the goods to your hand as safety way and best way. All your inquiry and other information will be appreciated.
This is Michael from Fortune Decoration. We are one of the leading suppliers for the blinds. This is our PVC faux wood blinds. And this is our blind components for all kinds of blinds, including wooden blinds. This is our cornice faux wood blind. And this is home decoration wall panel. And welcome to send us the inquiry for more information. Thank you.